Nigirira gwaka njumeni kune tite bubo yanku wataweni kiri Nteto chia Weru Thaa Mugwanja mbitawa MUTEMBEI edwanda. Joy Karuitha Ururadi Minister wa miunda kaunti ya Meru nebele tukanye keuna kanya kawe kunenkerwa Dorothy Ruita kumantere chia ruirorera icio mbunge Keburi. Kulingana ntumirire kinyete kiri mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru rwangiruru etana mbere utungata mwaka minister ongi ethire hakiyukia kanya kaunende. Dorothy eterete kuungo mauri na kuona kithira mbunge ya kaunti ya Mukilukia na arikio kulukwa ethira itungata ya minister umweru wa miunda kaunti ya Meru.
Of Meru. Then the reference is the status of the office of the County Executive Committee member for lands, physical planning, urban development, housing and public works. The above matter refers. I write to formally inform you that the office of the County Executive Committee member for lands and physical planning and urban development, housing and public works is currently vacant following the dismissal of the former owner of the office. In the meantime, the department shall continue to discharge its mandates and undertake its functions through the existing administrative and technical structures to ensure continuity of service delivery and the uninterrupted implementation of departmental programs and activities. Kindly take note of the foregoing information. Yours faithfully, His Excellency Reverend Isaac Mutumantoithinkia, Governor Meru County, and the copy has been sent to all the ends of the public service and the CEO County Public Service Board. Then, honorable members, still there is a second letter, still from His Excellency the Governor, which is dated 12th June 2026, and a reference to CGM/GOV/CORR volume 1/77. The letter, as I've said, is dated 12th June 2026, and it is addressed to the Speaker, County Assembly of Meru. The reference is submission of nominee for appointment to the County Executive Committee of the County Government of Meru. You remember the other letter was the dismissal, now this one is for a nomination of a person for the same office. The about matter refers, pursuant to the provisions of Article 179(2)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya 2010, Section 32(d) of the County Government Act 2012, and in line with the Section 35 of the same Act, I hereby wish to notify your office that following the occurrence of the vacancy in the Department of Lands, Physical Planning, Urban Development and Housing and Public Works, I have nominated the following person to serve as a member of the County Executive Committee. That is Ms. Dorothy Ruita, to serve in the Department of Lands, Physical Planning, Urban Development, Housing and Public Works. In compliance with the legal provisions governing church appointment, I have attached here with the credentials and relevant supporting document for the nominee. Kindly proceed to facilitate the vetting and approval through the County Assembly as required by law. Your urgent attention to this matter will be highly appreciated. Yours faithfully, His Excellency Reverend Mutumantoithinkia, Governor Meru County.
Mubunge wa Tharaka gitonga murugana oro kumirire Gavana kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi na kuromba ministry ya kithomo chwantaira che kuthiria migomo ya ritondene ya maskuru harubobo ya mbunge ya Kenya na Kenya ciari batiwiri tuni makarika ya wachandoni ya ritondene ya maskuru mwanya tigurone ya Kenya.
Uye Kuringana na mubunge wa Tharaka Twegitonga Murugara urakinya na guchwa giti kia gavana wa Tharaka nithi ariuga ministry ya mantu mege kithomo ne batiri kwithirwa ikikira mitaratara ira gatigira aritwa baraba ba cukuru batikuthi na mbere na kugoma kara kurutha gwinyangia macukuru na muno akioria kinyachi ari na babatikarekerie ana abao kiri arimo wake indi babatarage
mantu mara tukuga matiagiri kwa memega na itukumameneria itwana gukira na kuthi strike mbere ma tukamba gutiga twabithie cukuru kana tukenyangia cukuru yago tugatigere nthuku mamati mantu tuigwa twekenera tio turi aciari turi atongoria na turi nthiguru yetu ya Kenya watu kwenda kuga ni tafadhali Minister of Education nirute wira yago ya kunenkera policy guidelines na atitore atongoria tugwate ministry njara tumigwate mbaru baruthe wira yago aciari menya burekeria ari twana ari mubonka twinde twagiri kuwa turi amwe na twana twetu tututare bwega kagita kote tutue advice tuthome bwa kwagiri gukari gutena ma strikes makubithie cukuru kana makurutha mantu mangi mathuku
kagitani wako ariuga kiri budget ya mwanka ojo wa kithirikari wa 2023-2027 ikuikiritwo embecha ire ikathi na mbere na kwanjiria kumenyera antu obaraba etagwa area managers banekero 3.9 billion which means omwaka wata about 3,000 shillings a month ikaigwa ye token timo chara i token lakini no tuthiete na mbere kurutha sheria ciago kaingo salaries and remuneration commission igaetegeria kubanenkera michara twarikia gwikira qualifications irikia wikiendekana kumagu bakambira kwandikwa ta government civil servants permanent and pensionable bagwata michara yago ikaribwega na nigo ta mujumbe wa Tharaka nkiagwa ndi mbere nkira mantu amambere no tutimantu matharaka yonka timantu matharaka nithi yonka imantu makenya nzima onto bono abwa gwetete kinyamantu ni emegie community health promoters barakinya bo akuwe bateri kwithira bakira itherua na mutaratara uria wakuira muswanda bunge
antu bagiri kwigwa bakemenya wira ya health bwega turenda gucheria onto tuira muswanda mbunge a bill ya community health promoters nabo bathukwe civil servants either banenkerwe county baandike kana banenkerwe national government baandike bagwata emichara yago begwe permanent and pensionable na bakegwa bari antu baga train bwega banenkere community yetu good community health services
kumachuka gabangombe betan class chabare
niapo witene bako wa tambaru medekalinture kutuika gavana wa Meru mwaka yo 2027 bakiaria po witene bonete utongeria po medeka kumari mubunge mwaka minister ndewene ndio kubwila kuyuki utongeria po Meru mwaka twitite
baba ni bamwe bakari kuma mirigene atigania baraba shumirite kwadi na mugambo jumwe bakiuga bobari kwa tambaru medikari nturi kiri kurwa giti kionga bana Meru kiri kidwa no twitite bakiwa kiri barabonde barungi giti nekeu ni baba thimite no raba konari na kadhalika gutongeria kaunti je niri nturi gitumikia murunga mojoao
Mr. Lentore neo tukona muntu rambikia kwithira akamatete maono ya Meru County imuntu kumba kuthikira antu imuntu kumba kwitanira maoni ya antu buraba kwenda ibwega tweta mbere kuunga Lentore mukono na twinde twatanirite twamugwata njara mwanka mwisho nwenga bana wetu turigirite
tukiwa Lentore nwenga bana rambikia wikia Meru katagaria isipokuwa baraba ekunonto itubairete bonde no te muntu akumba kurutango ira wananchi bongo bakwenda ende Lentore na komba ukinyake mwananchi mwanga mashinani akamenya imbibiyongwa birabyomba wa affect muntu wa kawaida lakini totomba kuthura anto bari itene bagarinde na aroterine na batekomba ko ya mashinani kuthikira anto
ri are senator itwali ngweke aturutirite twali embe South na ritire ngwe miaka 10 na historia twinio na kwe bange nabo aikumia bange bari ngabana kwa ikumia bange bareo ngweko kivuli kutishia watu ngweyo ikumia na batu tute kwenda antu ikumia batu turenda muntu akwinyia muntu atotambua muntu muna no munini muntu atena mwana ka muguru muntu atikumya muntu ana thina kana etonga uno mutongore tukwenda na batu kaji batiane centro itona utonge mithika Lentore
ngwe atirite Meru na gata Kenya yonthe ibondo tukwenda muchokie tene kyangabana kenda kinya president yone tutathura Lentore nuo muthurire na mutirite ngwe na inya muno na tukaria na Lentore itare onthe ni onto inya babangi baikumagia bakela ila ntunjala kinya twe mathikoni bakolela ntunjala takwe bwo batethie ndene Meru yetu
nongo kwenda nja na kurumangana ndutenda kuthura ikumia ringi twenda muntu ukwena makiranto na ukwenda kura tianto lentoro nto atendwa nantu
lakini tulienda lentoro nto atena mwana wa keu na mongo ateru ikumia bate turi aekoro tukona atwalia bwega nonto nwene muritingoge kwa bate twetigania twendikilia irware nere ntore fongabana
bate tonete lentore no kiongozi na nombe kia kuyaokolea tigania bana Yesu asifiwe orware tumukaretie eria reriko
nkurukini baugite na beramero lentore no Weru Thaa bamba bakeringithania nekarika na beteresa feki bakiwa ukeja gutuika niwe wamigurite thaija bati kwithira kundi kimikanda ya watho
nyare boigwa lentora yakwa ntaka akira wati na ira batalaija ya maia anga batalaija anga karibu ayo ute batalaija onda wisi yezi batalaija onda IPS na ndene Kenya ikutukwana bwali nyau bangi bathakia tendarengi IPS bathakia ko lentora yakwa ntaka muntu kilini na kithana yete akithendene baba yete amba bothe bandene sini kweli kwa lentore wetu gavana wetu 2027 imuntu kilini kama bamba na asibako matope
kiripotera tetoshe Weru reakwari etwa ni mutuge kare
nkatha ya Rais Richard Ruto witearitwa ni babatire kuthikirwo na kumenyerwa kenda bayomba ukinyaniria iroto bio akiaria kaitaka kuya na ira tukira ritwa ntere chiakara ne witearitwa nigitwe ke muongo na kuni babatire kwithira bakiwato mbaru kendo tire kinyabo mantura bakubango turwene ni ukinyanira kumania na kuwato mbaru ni awati mbaru bonde bakithomo na kinyachiari.
Round of applause as Her Excellency receives this gift. I've been with the First Lady in many schools where she has done such. We've been in Rift Valley, we've been in Ukambani, we've been in several places, and she has done well. She's mama doing good. Children feel good.
The President firmly believes that every child deserves a fair opportunity to learn, grow, and succeed regardless of their background or circumstances. He remains committed to initiatives that support the well-being, education, and dignity of our children, recognizing that investing in them is one of the most important investments we can make as a nation. Ladies and gentlemen and learners, one of the ways we are putting this commitment into action is through the Voice of Children initiative, established under my office. The initiative is founded on a simple belief that children should not only be heard, but also be supported. My dear learners, I know that many of you wake up early every morning to prepare for school. You walk through the gates of Currency Comprehensive School, books in hand, carrying hopes and dreams. Today, I want to challenge you. When you put on these shoes tomorrow morning, remember they represent responsibility. Walk into school ready to learn. Do so with discipline, honesty, integrity, responsibility, and hard work.
Otonekanya kuno kainchokerete na Nteto ingi.
Football fans, the world stops from the 11th of June to the 19th of July 2026. Watch all 104 FIFA World Cup football matches live on Azam TV. Get your Azam TV decoder today for 1,000 shillings for a decoder only, or 2,500 shillings for a decoder and a dish, and enjoy unmissable football action from the comfort of your home. Visit any Azam TV authorized dealers countrywide today or call us on 0709 844 000. Azam TV, the official broadcast partner of the FIFA World Cup 2026.
This is quite a game. It'll be a free kick. Oh, what a goal! Ecstasy, euphoria, and emotion overflows.
Mutamani yoka yothire otweta kembeche tina baita tiambi no oteko chenjia
botwaja gairo bitego tutethia neke
hai to korega
ng'ombe ciako itiraragire ngoko ciako itekorekia
ngorojago na guchenga iguchenga
aremi itwigetwa matata zenu na ikio tuboretere mutaramu irio bia ndethia
aha mugeni aremi betu nukumenya mtoto umagaruka augane nyina kyo wize kuruga but with a nice choice mkombozi fins itwigetwe kirero kienu na nikyo tweza kubonokia irio bietu bithithetwo na teknoloji ya kinande na itogotigira bire na quality na standard.
Nice choice fits ni irio bia ndethia kumba kamboni ya Nice Mwea twena irio bia ndethia cionthe tabio dairy meal, maize jam, soy winner, pig finisher, chick mash, layers mash, kienyeji mash na binge bibinge. Irio bietu bithondeki note abo kinande na standard ya iguru nikenda gutigira ndethia ciaku ciena riri na ugima bobo kwa mwire nikenda ugocha murimi wona umithio na baita kuma kiri ndethia ciaku. Irio bietu bire agrovet karandukene cia kwendia irio bia ndethia irere ya kwinagwe nontutu county ne cia Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Embu, Nyeri, Laikipia, Kiambu, Nakuru na Nyandarua. Nice choice animal feeds, siri yaku gwe murimi.
Numerous cases of people falling asleep have been reported across the African continent. No one can explain this phenomenon.
With 24/7 FIFA World Cup coverage, sleep can wait. Everything can wait.
Reconnect to TV yako for only 999 shillings today, only on GoTV.
We are turning up the heat on Star Times. Unravel the thriller mystery of the evil eye returns on Star Life. Fall for the irresistible charm of What's Wrong with Secretary Kim on Novella E+. Get absorbed in the emotional twists of My Wonderful Life on Novella E. Step into the all-new season of Hello Mr. Right, Kenya's most exciting dating reality show on Rainbow Plus. Renew your subscription today, starting from just 329 Kenya shillings for Nyota Bouquet on the aerial decoder or 549 Kenya shillings for Nova Bouquet on the dish decoder. Download the Star Times app to stay connected anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Matarajo tano kire murimi ureterine Joymax Animal Feeds. Murimi menyera monoro igua ng'ombe ciaku. Tigira ni kunyoro uje bwega ichikona chumbe kungana na kubangania irora kubatere. Murimi tigira akamina gikamiro kwa ng'ombe ciaku igie kitheru. Nkuruki ng'ombe ni batere gukamwa ura kubatere mathajareza batere. Murimi tigira ng'ombe ciaku ichigukarankana tene ntheru ichikumama Antonia theru na nkongoro ni ntheru ukagondokera kanoringa ng'ombe ciaku. Rira ng'ombe kwewa njau tigira njau ni kunywa kithana mathajari jambere nyuma yayo guchiarwa. Menyera meari bwega na kaire murimi tigira ng'ombe ciaku ni gutungaturwa ni ndagitari uri no menyo na kinya ni kwewa nchacha mukagitakara kabatere. Joymax Animal Feeds kuma kwa Joy Millers Limited, chaguo la mifugo.
Broiler ya wiki 5 iko tayari kwenda soko.
Huyo ni mdogo sana.
Ndio wadogo wamepewa lishe bora.
Nimekuwa na mlaumu kijana wangu nikifikiria ati labda anauza chakula. Umesema ati inaitwaje
chakula? Ni Joymax Animal Feed. Hiyo
Joymax Animal Feed. Turudia ndo ni sawa. Joymax Animal Feed.
It's an African jungle.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi bugwite bate watambaru biatho bia ukunguro ntwire kirisio mbunge nontu bo siasa cia mwaka yo 2027 bakiarire batariritie abukabere batithirite bakiwatanira na ikundi bia maturo kinyaririo nontubo botumanitie na siasa ura kukwirwa ni atongere bamwe pa kaunti.
Thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi bagwatanirite na Simbio iria ibangaga mauntu mawonaniria wa gintwire ntereja nkondi ibaugite gintwire ni kiega na kinyambura iria ikaruthwa batetikiria siasa itonywa kinyambura ino.
Intugo ya utamaduni yake intugo ya ukoyera utamaduni wa Kitharaka kana ntwire wa Mutharaka tutiyite mantu maingi tutiyite nuntu wa siasa tutiyite nuntu wa macindano.
Chief Officer wa kithomo na gintwire thirikari ya kaunti ya Tharaka Nithi mwiti muno ni augite bati kugwata mbaru jatho ja gintwire ja gicigo bunge ni undu bwa seso ja kithurano tuthiite kinya kethirwa jithitwe ikiruthwa miaka mikuruku ni Simbio Saki na guti musiasa bakarigeria kwaria kinyambura ino.
Ontwire involved kere chapter 4 ya constitution kana 4th schedule ya katiba gwira ya county government kugwata mbaru ontwire bwetu na biatho bibio ndabiruthagwa bia ontwire kigu kingi tutiaya kugwata kiatho kimbaru nontu wa siasa na ibumbanjirie na kuga na tutiarikite arombi kura ngavana wa Tharaka Nithi Muthomi Njuki no sitting ngavana mwanka mwerwe na mwanka uyu tuthira kithurano wekaruthwa ukegwo reo na ranchuma uri mwana siasa kiromba kura kana uri mutongoria nchunchuma no akegwo na ranchuma mosi nchunchuma mosi lakini gintu kia tutakwenda ontwira bwetu buthungirwa gi siasa mbaya.
Nyambura ino ni igwetete gukiria antu ki mauntu ma kibiashara
kwithagirwa kwina into ta ndara ntuteno ya culture kana ntuteno twina kiatho giki nuntu antu keo bebe ingi kwegwa nuiye kutuma gintu ta nkobia na ya ndara mugeka wa ndara into bibi kana kwegwa nuiye gukia uchurubo ega guntu wa gita uchuru types yo uchuru cionthe kana makie into kionthe kira ncho kumbe kwendia nuntu barabakaya bakagura na bakaria kwaga bakimamagwa.
Ni oriria esisi wa nkondi augite gukethwa kwina wikaria wa kwigana.
Idara ya usalama mikakati yamewekwa ya kutosha kuhakikisha kwamba kuna usalama wa kutosha na patakuwa na askari pamoja na administration, the chiefs and assistant chiefs.
Ukiripotera Weru TV kuma Tharaka Mbita Makena uambabwa.
Akari bomugae wondine yorirorera nibokite matheta nontubo wachibiora kiri thoko yo bakiaria nibatariti kinya rukurute kuyo thoko ne ubakiromba thirikari ya county ukumira nekinya kuromba bakiro thoko engera bakomba kwenderia makethayo.
Aringi biachara na akari mugae rwirorere bumirite na guteta nontubo wa gubwa kioro kia muingi market ineje na inyaroko kwithira ruti kojo ja market ingi inya nyuma ebo kwithira bakire ogoti kire thirikari county ontuburia bakugibo gwika ogimo bao atarine
teki oro tuli rujirwa thina still matejo ojure takira mali ito kuligara atiri usuru bo tugita bwambi na beja ira mbeca mialine nduka yai itukoromba mutumo ntu ethinge tumwira atiri kwambiria na ndike tharo ire gacokagira ruiri itutuyukiria mati ngare kugita ogoti keja mugae
tutura kuria kanso lakini mugae iyo eja wakinya ni ageni baena ngari barabara ni aramire ngari cionthe ciuma mero ike isioro inge ikauma isioro yeta mero wateja batinuka kuana lakini bateona kioro utekinya kiara kio tambo leo
biara bia kanjo teketo antoro kwaro ekanjerena na wogethero ntimonti gaikomboka.
Ukiangalia vizuri hapa hamna choo na wanakatisa watu sesi. Sasa kweli tutafanya kulipa pesa na sisi wenyewe hata mahali pa kujisaidia hatupati. Tuseme hata mgeni akija haya maeneo ya Mugae ni aibu tupu.
Iborite thirikari county kubakira thoko ara bakenderi into bio bia munda amona kioro na inya kojo kwa matentere na iji
ni ogoti bwetu arite tuthondekero njira ingi cithuki nanja twinjura rinyara mate tuthondekero kioro na kinya thoko ekurube tubone akwenderia mianga marigo na kila kitu
kore akuthitherua batue tutita kanzu rontu ituita mbeca nyingi mono na itwirwo kaunti yetu nara ikaki
Nkuruki ibaoretie MC Ontereji Felix Kithenji Ntuo kujuria mawira ni jaria abaere
kurire kwarikanire natwe na mwankana nda atarikane natwe nejira twira kurubara botha kiuthera akabakira shit barabara ikiguru getangata na twira agatwikira karabati kambuga atiri mbira ntu atiri ito mwende trakini tukamwebera nontu bakwithirwa andi chiawira nyingi ikaija cia Ruto cia kanywa kuga na atithithia
nkiripotera Nteto cha Weru kuma Mugairo irirorera gicigo mbunge kia Bore Beta Bantam Murangiri
ono tukinya muthia Nteto cha Weru Thaa Mugwanja gucokeria nkatho ntubugo thawatanirite na uni mubangura yoyite ni katiba kanjenzi